Hello, my dear student. Welcome you all in science class. Today we are going to learn with the body movement chapter 8, the part 4. In this part 4, we are going to learn about the joints. Okay. So, student, joints play the great role in our human skull or in the whole body. These joints are only helping to move our body in different directions. Okay, so let's learn about what is joint. Joint is the place where two bones are meeting. If I'm talking about this one, the one bone, another bone is this one. So these two bones are meeting at one point. The meeting place of this bone is known as joint. I think it is clear to everyone. The joint is basically the meeting place of these two bones that are joints. Joints are of two types. One is fixed joint, another one is movable joint. Fixed joint, the word itself giving the meaning here, the fixed one. The joint which is fixed. If I am talking about the joint which is available in the skull, human skull में जो top में present होता है. So these joints are there. The bones are fused together. They are having the meeting place. उन दोनों का meeting place होता है, but they are not movable. They are not going to be moved from one place to another, or they are not showing any kind of movement in between them. Okay, now the next one, it is the movable joint. Movable joints are showing the movement in them. Can you move your fingers like this? Can you move your hand? Yes. Okay, you can move your legs also. Likewise, you can rotate your neck also. So these joints are called as movable joints. Hope you are clear with this statements. Now we learn about the different types of joints. So joints are basically of different types of. The first one is pivot joint. Pivot joint is available in the neck region. Neck region में available होता है. This cervical bones are available, and this is having where these cervical bones are getting connected to the skull. Sorry, these cervical bones are getting connected to the skull. There, one of the round shaped structure is available, on which the human skull is fit, and that bones are getting connected together. So that is called as pivot joint, where with the help of this pivot joint we are able to move our neck in all the direction. Okay, I think you all are able to see this. I am able to move my neck in all the direction. Next one, it is the second joint, is called as hinge joint. Hinge joint student, have you seen the doors are opening at one side? Nowadays the doors are of different types also, which can be open both the sides. Fine, but I'm talking about the doors which are having the hinges present in them. Hinges आपने देखा होगा, आप अपने हाथ को, अगर आप अपने hands का movement देखें, तो the hand can be moved in one direction only. That cannot be bent at the back side. It is moving at one side, in one direction. So this joint which is having only one side movement, one direction movement, this is called as hinge joint. So our forearm is also having this one hinge joint present here. And student, you also can guess where the hinge joint can be present. So here in our knees, at the place of knees also you can see that the knees are having the hinge joint. You can fold your legs at the back side, not in front. Fine. Hope it is clear to everyone. Next is the next joint coming there, that is saddle joint. That is, third one is saddle joint. Third one is the saddle joint. Saddle joint are basically the joints which are present in our thumb. If we talk about the thumb, the base of the thumb, this thumb you can move front also and at the back also. So this much movement only will be there. This is like it is not a gliding joint, but it is a saddle joint. Fine. So now let's move towards the gliding joint. Next is gliding joint. In this gliding joint, you can find that at that place the bones are gliding at each other. If we talk about the joints which are available in the vertebrae, they are also gliding at one place. You can bend it front and at the back also. So in this movement, the vertebrae are gliding at one place. They are gliding at their places. That shows the movement in the bones and the glide on each other. So that's why it is being named as gliding joint. Now the next one, it is ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. So student, ball and socket, already I have explained you, ball and sockets are available in our shoulder region and our hip girdle region. So these joints are also providing the 360 movement, 360 degree movement of the bones. Is it clear to everyone? Hope you all understood about the joints, which is I have clear to you the types of joint. What do you understand by joint? So joint is a, again I am repeating what the definition of joint, that is the place where two bones are meeting. So the place where two bones are meeting at that place is being called as joint. Hope it is clear to you all. We'll be learning like the movements in the human body, like how that human body helps in the movement. That we'll be learning in the next part, and working of muscles and bones. And then we'll be learning about some other animals also, how do they move. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.